Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Kuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to share with you all a recipe which you can make in just 5 minutes. Yes, it is the Chinese style stir-fried prawns. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and enable the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Now come, let's get started. Take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of gingelly oil. Once the oil gets heated, simmer the stove and add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and saute the garlic until it turns light brown in color. Now to this add half a teaspoon of white sesame seeds and mix well. Now keep the flame on high and add 1 cup of chopped capsicum and cook for about 1 minute. To this add 250 grams of white prawns, medium sized prawns, and cook over a high flame. The prawns, they get cooked with the water they release. At this point, add some finely chopped spring onion leaves. Now add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan chutney followed by a teaspoon of dark soya sauce. Mix well and keep cooking with the flame on high. Add half a teaspoon of salt to it for taste. To thicken the sauce, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. It absorbs the extra water from the prawns, this corn flour. Now it's done. Switch off the stove and sprinkle some chopped spring onion leaves and some white sesame seeds. Now let's start serving. Drizzle few drops of chilli oil for that extra flavor and top with about 2 teaspoons of Schezwan chutney and mix very gently. Now our easy, delicious and flavorful Chinese style prawn stir fry is ready. Friends, please try this recipe and write your feedback to me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, share this recipe with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon to get notifications of my new uploads. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.